the Dash and Dot Show. Today we're doing a fashion show. Let's get started. So, on Blockly, we have this simple code: forward 40, very slow, turn right 180 degrees, and forward 40, very slow again. So, first up, Dash is looking classy with a simple white bow tie. That's awesome, Dash. So, as for the set change, we have Dot here, and we're here for something very special. Now, Dot, what Dot will be a disco ball right now, and I have no idea why these ears are on, but I'm just going to keep them because they look cool on Dash. Don't they? So the next outfit that we will be doing is the space helmet. Because Dash has gone on adventures, as I'm sure you have seen in the Not Home films video, Dash and Dot. Okay, let's see it. And Dot is walking those towards, but he can't walk because he has no wheels.
So we're going to have a break. We're going to interview Will about what he thinks about his new Dash. Let's hear it, Will.
I think it's Dashes are pretty cool, and this one is kind of cooler, and I just like Dashes, and as you all know, Dash is a robot, and Dot is too. Somehow I feel like they're brother and sister, and like they can, and so like Dot is green, as you can see, and Dash is blue, as you all know. So I like Dashes because you can drive them around. They're mostly just pretty awesome.
Thank you, Will, for explaining how you think Dashes work and why you think your new Dash is great.
Dot are starting their latest stuff. Dot in her signature squishy case, and Dash in his bunny ears and tail. Let's see this. Dot has something to say about this too. If you didn't hear her, she said right on the buttons. Stop. have Dot here with me for to advertise something she can't even use. It's called Path, and it uses no words. You can't even see the words Path, which is pretty awesome. It's for the younger people, and Dash is pretty excited about it. It looks like, and so it's just you can make a simple path for Dash to follow by drawing one, and you can put a whole bunch of things on it, like it looks like Dash makes a little sound, and right here Dash waits for a clap. We can't really use it because Dash is doing a set change right now, but that is a pretty cool thing. Dash is ready to rock with his new outfit, which is actually the Made for Dash attachment, the xylophone. And here we are. Let's look for some tunes. As Dash would say, ta-da! And also, okay, we're back with no break this time because I am feeling lazy. And today, right now, we have DJ Dot and Cowboy Dash, which is pretty mixed up, but yes. Let's do this. Hear that spin in the record? Ta-da! That is the Dash and Dot show right now. I don't know. We're not going to finish this yet.
Hi, I'm Camille, and I'm the story behind the code. While you've been watching Dash do his runway modeling stuff, I'm the one designing the whole code. Here's a glimpse of what I've been doing to make this fashion show the best it can possibly be. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a nice day.
For watching the Dash and Dot show today. Hope you enjoyed it. Click here to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Plus, if you subscribe, you won't miss out on any good videos. Over and out. Bye-bye.